In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide WhatsApp messages on lock screen. So if you do not want WhatsApp messages to appear on your lock screen, for that what you have to do is first of all open the app info of the WhatsApp. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for WhatsApp and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. What you have to do is access the notification settings. For that, tap on this option notifications that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the notification settings over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for chats. What you have to do is tap on this option message notifications. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option for lock screen. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. What you can do is tap on this option, don't show notifications at all. After you do that, in the lock screen, you'll not be able to see the messages in the notification. Likewise, do the same for the group notifications too. Now after you do that, when your screen is locked, you'll not be able to see the WhatsApp messages. So that is how you hide WhatsApp messages on lock screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.